Do you want to know how you can log in to your conch.ai or you want to sign up to your conch.ai? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for conch.ai. Go ahead and search for conch.ai, sign up and click on the first link which appears on your screen. Then click Get Started, which you can see on the screen. And you can see sign up with Google option over here. If you don't want to do that, there is another option of writing down your name, your email address and generating a password. Click sign in up, and if you want to skip all of this, you can just go ahead and click sign up with Google and then select your Google account. After you select your Google account, click continue to sign in to conch.ai, and in a while you can notice that you will finally be signed up and you can fully use conch.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.